Today we've got a new cap light. Even though it was delivered in some nice foam packaging, the box got crushed a little bit, but I don't care. It's an 11 LED cap light. Takes 3 AAA batteries. I would suggest using some good AAA batteries, but since I don't have any good AAA batteries, I'm going to use some of these cheap Dollar Tree Sunbeam batteries that I always keep an extra pack laying around to try things out. But you know, you don't want the light on your head to burn out when you're trying to do something important. And the plastic feels kind of cheap. You know, it's that harder, kind of more brittle plastic. It's not that really good feeling plastic that I prefer. Like I saw just a little bit of fragment of plastic there. There's fragments of plastic breaking off already just doing that. It does work. It's just appears to be just an on-off situation. That's all you need. If you see my last one, it had these, you can't tell, but it's 3 modes, high, medium, low. And it had a little button on the top, but one of the little clips broke off here that holds it to the cap. And that's why I have to get another one. This one seems to mount underneath the bill. Not sure if I like that or not. We'll find out. It seems to be just fine. This one just seems to have it's on or off. So, it seems to be much brighter. And I think I'm going to like it. Okay, I've got the hat on. And it's not in the way of my vision. So that's good. I mean, if I look straight up, I can see it. But it's not causing me peripheral vision problems or anything, so I'm happy with that. So let's go into a dark room and see what we got, see if how much the light really helps. Okay, I'm in a completely dark bathroom right now, and I'm gonna turn on this light. It's a pretty concentrated field of view in this small area, but it's bright, very bright. And it spills over in the rest of the room enough to see what's going on. And I would imagine in the dark outside at a distance, this would provide a bigger area. So we'll try that later.